This is a 2007 Honda CR-V that got hit by a city bus and has the front bumper fender and a couple other little things that is hit and destroyed, as you can see here. The video is also sponsored by Shine Armor. That much. Replace the front bumper, fender, this piece, molding, the washing fluid, and that's it. Alrighty, so this video is sponsored by Shine Armor. Go on shinearmor.com. Here it is. You can get everything you need from there to detail your car. Now they have multiple things from the exterior like wax or ceramic spray or scratches remover or gel for your tires, shine. They have everything you will need for the exterior, as well as they do have things for the interior as well, such as vacuums and bags and so many things. As you can see here, if you go on interior, we have the interior cleaner. They have peppermint odor, so many things, odor eliminator, a lot of things that you can get from Shine Armor. Also kits that you can get insane deals without even using a discount code, which I do have a discount code for you guys to use. I will show you how to put it in. Really good kits and really good prices. Now if you was to go in here on checkout, you can use my code FSGarage at checkout. All you gotta do is gift card or discount code to write FSGarage, all caps, and you press apply, and boom, this order was $100. Get $19.99 discount equals $83. That's pretty good. I love discounts. Go check out Shine Armor, use my discount code. Links in the description down below. Peace. Installed and ready to go. Alright, we're not going to talk about how I almost literally just dropped the fender. But here it is, painted. Time to bring it to the car. Fender. Right now we are lining the hood. The lines on the hood, as you can see there, looks pretty good. Fender doesn't have clear, that's why it's not exactly the same color, and we need to color match it. So right now we're adjusting the other side of the fender. Didn't I tell you that? All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Next video is gonna be crazy. Stay tuned. And yeah, next so many builds coming in. It's insane. Subaru's content is coming back. Hopefully Jig content is coming back soon. So stay tuned and God bless.